Good day vloggers! For today's vlog, we will discussing the 3 popular sport activities: basketball, volleyball, and running. Before we start the active sports, we need to do stretching. Running involves swift movements on foot and is a popular form of physical exercise. It includes various activities from sprinting short distance to long distance running like marathons.
Volleyball is a team sport played over the high net, with teams trying to earn points by grounding the balls on the opponent court. It involves serving, passing, setting, spiking, and blocking. Effective communication and coordination play a vital role in volleyball.
Basketball is a competitive sport where two teams aim to score points by shooting a ball through a hoop on each end of the court. Players need skills like dribbling, shooting, passing, and teamwork to outscore their opponents within a set time. Shooting is the act of attempting to score points by throwing the ball through the basket. Method varying with players and situations. Defense is a fundamental component within the games of basketball, and its main object is to use a combination of various defensive systems, strategies, and/or tactics to limit or prevent an opponent from scoring point near to the basket or from the perimeter. A dribble is a movement of the ball caused by a player in control who throws or taps the ball to the floor.
Hanggang sa muli mga ka-vloggers, mag-stretch, maglaro at manatiling malusog. Paalam!